So StreetCred software helps police agencies find fugitives, get them out of the community, and bring the officers home safe at night. And we do that by taking information that is in disparate data sources that have typically not been brought together, and we bring it together, then we analyze it, we basically data mine it, we prioritize it, then we push it directly out to the officers in their cars at the point of where they're coming in contact with people. Law enforcement on television depicts cops as having these wonderful tools, and everything is sort of 3D and people can move everything around. In real life, most of the officers in America's 18,000 law enforcement agencies are typically looking at a green screen, stuff that looks like 1990. This is very text heavy. If you watch cop shows on TV, reality cop shows, you'll see when people are going after fugitives, what they're handed instead of some really cool computer gizmotronics is a manila envelope containing photocopies of driver's license photographs and charges and court papers and things like that. So StreetCred's main goal was to get the paper out of the process and stop making the cops into research librarians and actually let them get out into the field. And one of the most important things that they need to know is where they're going. There's a number of reasons why they need to do that. The first is, where's the guy I'm looking for? The second is, where are the other officers going to be while I'm looking for him? And a sort of a less obvious one would be, what else is near this guy I'm looking for? Because he might be next door to a gang member or a probationer or a sex offender or a parolee or someone who's called the cops 10 times and said, I'm going to kill you people the next time you come to my house. So the situational awareness that we can provide to cops just in one map is pretty astounding given the standards of what they have today. We use GIS in a number of different ways to immediately allow officers to visualize what they're going to see when they get someplace, and then to plan how they're going to act once they're there, to really get them intelligence about where they're going, what they're looking at, and what to expect. And my favorite example was watching a local police officer using our software for the first time, seeing all of the fugitives that he had in the city. So his entire workload really put out before him, and he looked at me and his comment was, I can park and I can walk. It was just the first time he'd ever actually seen all of the people he was looking for in one place on one map.